welcome back to my channel. It's been a long.
So here I am going to be using my Pond's lotion, and this is going to be my moisturizer that I will lightly pat into my skin. Yes. It is literally my favorite. You can find this at Walmart or any local drugstore. So after doing that, I'm going to go in with my primer by Milk Primer. This you can find at Safoyaah. I'm just lightly dabbing that all over my face. And I'm just going to lightly tap that in. After tapping that in, I'm just going to let that set a little bit, and then next I'm going to go in and do my brows. Now to me, I feel like your brows are very important in what makes the face. So here I have a spoolie. I am just going to be combing my brows up and then down at the end. It's optional if you would like to use a mirror that's closer up so you can get an accurate fill-in, or you can just use a mirror, just bring your face closer to the mirror. So next I'm going to go in lightly with my dark brown eyebrow pencil. So I'm just doing light strokes, light strokes. Again, I'm just going to do light strokes and then fill in my brows. I'm going to do the same thing. I start at the top, just light strokes at the top, then I come down, and then I'll do the same at the bottom, and then I will go as slow and sharp when I'm doing the end, and then fill in lightly. Any places I miss, I'll just go back over and just make sure I just fill that in. Next, I'm going to take my angle brush with my concealer from Rihanna's brand line in number 8, and I'm going to lightly fill underneath my brow just to give it a nice clean finish. And this is what's going to complete the brow, is the concealer. So it honestly doesn't matter how you do the brows, as long as you are able to clean it up really well. So you can use your favorite concealer and just lightly use an angle brush and just follow underneath your brow that you created, and then blend the product down. I am also going to do the same at the top. Please go slow so you do not get the concealer into the brow. I'm just going over any places that I miss. Please, it is very important that you go slow in this process. After that, I'm going to just blend upwards and then downwards at the brows. And this will go over my eyelid as well. So I'm just going to take my concealer, just go over my eyelid, and then after that, I'm going to blend that in. This is a concealer brush from e.l.f. It's a blending concealer brush, and I'm just going to use that to just blend that concealer in. Blend, 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 blend. I'm going to blend that all over my eyelid, as you see. And then I'm going to blend above my eyebrow as well. You see how crisp the eyebrows are? That's the trigger. Next, I am going in with my eyeshadow base. It's in white by NYX. This is also another product that you can get at the beauty store. I believe it's $3.99. I'm just taking a little bit of that and dabbing it in. Now, the white does make the color stand. It's a base that helps your eyeshadow stand out or pop. The white brings out the color a little bit more than the beige color, so I would recommend the white. You can choose whichever you will like, but just make sure to just lightly pat that into your eyelid, over your eyelid, I'm so sorry. Next, I'm going with my eyeshadow from Anastasia and my eyeshadow brush, and I'm just taking a nice little dark color and blending that into my eyelid. Now, one way to ensure that you are properly placing the eyeshadows on is try to keep your eye open just a little so you can have control of how much product you are putting onto your eyelid and where you're placing it. And then I'm just going to go light strokes back and forth and keep adding product. You can keep adding until you get to the color that you like. If you like it light, if you like it a little dark. Next, I'm going with my Jumbo black eyeliner pencil. I'm so sorry. And I'm just going over my eyelid. Eyelash waterline. Oh my goodness, I do not know what's going on. So I'm just going that straight across. And then I didn't really like too much, so I added, I believe this was by NYX or Kiss, in the darkest black gel eyeliner. Next, I am going with my High Sky, I believe, mascara, just going in. I just keep building and building and building and building. And you can go in as much as possible. Just try to avoid staying on the lash for too long to avoid clumps. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation in shade D80. That is literally all I use to cover up my whole entire face. It is CoverGirl True Blend 12-Hour Matte. And it blends so well with my skin. So if you are my skin type or my skin complexion, you will definitely love that brand. It's not too expensive. I think it's about $12. You can get it at any local drugstore, and the shade is D80. I will also leave all the products that I use in the description box below. So I'm just using a flat top brush and I'm just blending in. Next, this is a new product I actually picked up today. So the eyelash, like, you know how sometimes you have like the hair glue? I used to use that, and I saw this and I was like, okay, let me try this. So this is a little bit lighter and the wear is really, really nice. It's so worth it. It's $3.99. It's more expensive than the regular hair glue. So if you like to use the hair glue, you can use that. But this is also a little lighter. So I'm just adding that onto my eyelashes, Let that dry for a little bit, maybe about 10 seconds, and just pop that bad boy on, okay? Adjust as you please, and there you go. Do the blink test. Add a little bit of mascara, and then you're good. Next, I'm just going to use that same black brow eyeliner pencil, oh my gosh, and just go in the corner of my waterline just to give my eyes a little bit of a more pop. Now, the powder I'm using is Milk Chocolate by Black Radiance. It is literally my favorite face powder. I will just go crazy with that one and just take that all over my face. I'm using NYX lip gloss, I believe in Fortune Cookie, and then I'm going to finish that off with my finishing spray. I didn't do too much, fan that off, and that's it. Check me out, check me out, check me out. Okay, yes. Now I'm going to take this scarf down and let you see that fluff, 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 fluff. There you go. Shake it off. There you go. Okay, and I'm going to add some hoops. Okay. And that is my simple everyday look. Just going to keep fluffing that hair out until I get it to the way that I want it to be. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye. Mwah.
Okay, hi everyone. So today I did a everyday, which will be considered an everyday makeup look. No, I do not wear makeup every day. Usually if I'm going to wear makeup and it's going to possibly be like an everyday thing, it will mostly be my eyebrows and enhancing my eyes. I do not like caking my face. I do not like wearing a lot of makeup. That's just me. But some of the products that I used in this video, like for my eyebrows, I used this jumbo pencil, nothing too expensive. I think it was like $1 or $2 from the beauty store. I usually use I want to say it's the NYX dark brown pencil. You can find it at the dollar store. Literally, it comes 2 in a pack with the sharpener. Look, it works just like a charm. Here go my eyebrows. This is what I used. Followed by what I use is my concealer. This is from the Rihanna brand. Hey, my tongue got twisted. Oh, sorry. My tongue really twisted like that. I don't remember, but it's in number 8. It's a really good concealer, so that's what I use around my eyebrows. The next thing I did use, of course, was mascara. This is the High Sky Maybelline. It's really good so far. Doing what it gotta do. Just do what it gotta do. For just lining my eyes, I used a black pencil for the corner, and then I used, this was Kiss Professional in the blackest black. Okay, and it's like, just like, you have to shake it up a little bit, and then you just, so that's what I use. My foundation, I love this foundation. It's literally like my skin complexion, literally. And it is CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in shade D80. It's a 24-hour matte wear. Listen, it melts into my skin. I didn't use a lot, and a lot goes a long, long way. For my primer for today, I used the Milk Hydro. I got the baby kind. I wanted to see how it is because I usually use calamine lotion, but it's not used for the face. It's used for, like, I guess, let me see, skin protecting, like your skin. you know, just like protecting on your skin. Well, technically you can use it, but it's not something you can use every day. But what it does is, if you have oily skin, it keeps your face matte, basically, for a long time. Like a long time. For me, if I keep it on, the most part that my face will start to produce oil is around my nose. And that's about it. What I used for my moisturizer was Pond's. I love this moisturizer, okay? I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. For my lips, NYX, and this is Fortune Cookie Biscuits, whatever. Yeah, that's what I use. For my lash glue, which I tried today, I purchased it actually today. This is the first time using it, and it's called the eyelash glue. And it's really good. It's lighter than, of course, the hair one, but it's really good. So far, I really like it. It's really, really nice, and it's holding my lashes really well and didn't have to take long. For my eyeshadow base, I use the NYX eyeshadow base. It is in white. For my setting spray, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, and then last but not least, my powder from Black Radiance. Let's see, it's kind of scratched off, but it's finishing powder, and it's in milk chocolate. Listen, if I'm not gonna wear foundation on my face, I usually would just use powder, dust it on, roll out. Okay, so these are just the little products here that I use for what I would say an everyday look. It's really nice, really simple. I hope that the video I made helped. I hope you take from some things you like to use, or things that will make you help you limit makeup, or whatever you would like to do. It's, I don't know, but I hope you guys like it. That is my simple look that I like to do, and this is it. No filter, no nothing, baby. This is your girl Safoyaah on the track.